What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Berry Bloom Fam, and today, y'all, we are going to be making chocolate covered strawberries. I know this is kind of different, speaking of what we usually post, but we're gonna be making chocolate strawberries, and I'm gonna bring you with the way with me. So make sure to like and subscribe this video, and also stay to the end because who knows, it could be either really good or really bad. Alright, you guys, so we're in my kitchen now. For this, you're gonna need 2 bowls. Well, 1 bowl if you're just gonna use one kind of chocolate. But since I'm using 2 kinds, I'm gonna use 2 bowls to put them both in separate bowls. You're also gonna need a fridge, of course. You're gonna need Hershey's. I'm gonna use cookies and cream and milk chocolate. And then you're also gonna need strawberries. And that's really all you really need for this. And yeah. Okay, everyone, so I got a bowl. I'm gonna put these strawberries in here. So yeah. First up, you're gonna need as much strawberries as you want. I'm gonna choose a couple. I'm just gonna choose that much. I just chose 7 strawberries, and then you're gonna have to put away your strawberries now because you don't really need them anymore. Alright, so the next step is you're gonna have to pour some water, of course, because you need to wash your strawberries before you use them. So we're just gonna wash them right now. Maybe just gonna wash them, and make sure that they're washed cleanly because of course you need to wash strawberries. Just to make sure that they're all clean and everything like that, especially with Corona going on. Make sure you clean your strawberries, your apples, clean just everything. I feel like now, you just gotta clean everything. Saying? Okay. Oh, my hands are all cold. Okay, so after you wash your strawberries, you're gonna need to dump out the water. I'm gonna go do that right now. Okay. Dump the water out. These are kind of cold, but yeah. So then the next step is you're gonna have to put your strawberries to the side because we don't need them anymore. I use a water bottle, so I'm just gonna close this up and put it back in the fridge. All right, you guys. So now you're gonna need a bowl. I just chose this bowl. I'm gonna do the original Hershey's first. So yeah, just gonna break that up. I'm gonna break it up to pieces. Yeah, and then it should look like that. Okay, so now after you have a bowl like this, now you're gonna just put it in the microwave I'm just gonna put this in for 10 seconds. And just keep on doing that until it's warm enough. So we're gonna cook it for 10 seconds. I'm gonna keep on doing this until it's all nice and warm. I'll show you how it should be. Now you're gonna wanna dip your strawberries in the chocolate. And yeah. Now when you have your chocolate all over your strawberry, next you're gonna need just anything, it doesn't matter what it is. Put your strawberry, I'm just gonna grab a napkin, put your strawberry on something and then put it in the freezer. I'm gonna do this, by the way, with the rest of them. I'm gonna put them all in here. So yeah, see you all in a couple of minutes. So we're gonna go in time lapse. Roll it. You guys, so I'm done with my chocolate strawberries and how they turned out. I'm gonna put these in the freezer now. I'm gonna start doing my white chocolate ones now. But for now, we're just gonna put these in the freezer. So yeah. Alright guys, so now they're in the freezer. Now I'm gonna start doing my white chocolate one, my white cookie and cream one. We're just gonna microwave it, do the same step all over again. And then I'm gonna put all these in the freezer. That one, it's already in the freezer. We're gonna leave them in the freezer for about like 2 hours. So this one, we're gonna take it out like 2 hours, and these I'm gonna leave it in for 2 hours, so yeah. So for those, that'll probably be less time. I'll take those one out earlier. Ooh, look at that, cookies and cream. That is delicious. Let me try one. Let's go. Thumbs up from me. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Okay. I'm gonna try something different with these. I'm gonna try crushing them up before I put them in. So who knows? Might turn even better. I'm just gonna crush them up because these ones are gonna be way harder. So I'm just gonna crush them up for a couple of minutes. Cause it has like actual like thing in it. It's not like the Hershey's. Those one melted easily. By the way, the Hershey's took 50 seconds to melt it. Okay. Just gonna continue mushing it, and then I'm gonna put it in the microwave. So yeah, time lapse. So guys, on the last chocolate one, that was a little bit lumpy. For this one, look how nice it is. Very good. Just don't mind that. I'm gonna go wash this. Alright, you guys. So I finally did this. Here it is. The last one was a little bit lumpy, but for some reason this one's super liquidy. Look at it, it's so liquidy. Or maybe I should have put that one for 40 seconds straight instead of just doing it. I don't know why this one took less time because I felt like this one was gonna take more time. Well, this is gonna be easier to dump. Because last one I had to put it on there. I could just dunk it. Maybe there's something wrong with the chocolate. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. That's good. Now put it. I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Alright. Now we're gonna do the next one. I just wipe off them because wet. I don't want them to be wet. I might taste some more strawberries, who knows? This one was really good. Alright, this one was really good at the attempt. Put this in the freezer like the rest. Okay. Okay, this one I'm gonna redunk it because I don't know why. Would it go up for some reason? Okay. Go right next to your brother. Okay. Yeah, we're doing good so far. I'm gonna do these two. Okay. Look at these last two. Stick everywhere. That chocolate. Freezing. Okay. I'm gonna do the last one. I'm gonna just wipe this one off because it has water in it. Last one did it for some reason. I don't know why. Oh yeah, because I already wiped it off. Okay, got that. Now we're gonna put it in here. Just gotta dunk it in. Oh yes. That I'm just gonna move. I just need some more on this one. This is really good. What? I'm gonna do a couple more. I still got a lot left. I'm gonna do a couple more. So I'm gonna do time lapse and then I'll show you guys the end pod and then I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright you guys, so I'm done. I couldn't do any more so I just ate the last strawberry. But this is how they're doing so far. In the fridge, doing pretty well. So now I'm just gonna wait for 2 hours, and then they're gonna be done. So yeah, I'll see you guys in 2 hours. Alright, you guys, so now the strawberries are done, and look how it looks. This is gonna be so good. I'm so excited. And we're gonna take all of them out. I'm really excited to try them. By the way, it's been 2 hours. Well, it's been an hour, but they look pretty done. You should probably do it for 2 hours, but because I am in a rush, I'm just gonna leave them in for an hour. Yeah. Ooh, the chocolate ones too. Alright, you guys. Now we're gonna go taste test these. Alright, guys, so we have the strawberries right here. I really wanna try cookies and cream, so we're gonna try it. Pretty good. I ate it, bro. That was kind of good. A little bit like weird tasting at the beginning, but it got pretty good. Oh, chocolate. That's good. Alright, guys. So now let's go for the rating. So I feel like I would give this, in my opinion, well, I think I'll give this 7 out of 10. It wasn't that bad. It's pretty good. I definitely recommend this. Oh yeah, sorry, my thing glitched out. I definitely recommend this because it's really good and it's really easy to make. My brother gave it a yes. My dad gave it a yes. Everybody liked it. It was actually pretty good. Like, I don't know why, but like it tasted a little bit funny to me. But that's probably because like I don't like chocolate strawberries as much as everybody else does. But like, you know, it was still pretty good. Like, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for more tutorials. If you guys want more cooking tutorials, I'll make some. More baking, more anything. Comment down below something, and I'll do it. Like, who knows? Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.